we have seen now April 13 is the peak on demand from health facilities for your state. And now the data for California leads about that level. We feel comfortable to move to a containment is May 17th. But we are being very conservative here because we don't want to tell people you should open at this time when you're not ready. 1 case per million, 40 cases in California was the, California is a very powerful state, has a large budget. We feel can control that load of number. The models have to change, and that's why we committed to do these models on a regular basis daily. Now we have data from cell phone, Google, Descartes Labs, and SafeGraph. And we see right now how much mobility the states are changing. So we know, we don't have the identifier of people, but we know there is an index of mobility. We're watching what's happening in California and in every state. So far, the best guess estimate or from our model is May 17.